For the group 2, please prepare for my questions, especially in the selected issues in Roman Catholics. It's just basic. It's just about ecumenism, sexuality, divorce. So I know that you can answer this one. And the last is there are 4 issues for the Roman Catholic that they are against all life. You mentioned in the last one is the capital punishment or the euthanasia. It's about euthanasia or capital punishment. It is killing the person like through lethal injection. Injection na lang ang tao para mamatay. Are you familiar with the bill that was proposed